Our goal is just to make it from here to the other side of the Mojave Road, which is 130 miles away, off-road. So these are, right now, the baddest off-road mid-sized trucks you can get. The Jeep Gladiators, all new. The Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, and then last but not least, the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison.
We're here with mountains, with river crossings, no campground sites. We'll be off the grid completely, so it should be a fun adventure.
No, I think you should keep going straight.
I think so too, but it talks about multiple wides, like keeping to the left closer to the mountains, but that doesn't look like it goes anywhere. Stop. What is that?
Flat.
Good. Alright, it's on the ground, but keep going because I gotta get that thing unhooked.
Damn it, Miguel. Blame you.
Well, we've already had our first flat tire, which is exciting. The sport vehicle, of course. The one vehicle that only has one spare tire, not two or three. But we're pressing on farther than we had originally planned. The trail is challenging, but not too challenging. All the trucks are doing good, so I'm feeling really confident for tomorrow, Wednesday. But we'll see what the terrain and especially what the weather bring.
My night was terrible.
The wind was horrendous last night.
It was like this all night.
It ripped all the pegs out of my rain fly.
My tent was shaking.
So that sucked. No fun.
So yesterday we had to cover 40 miles of off-road terrain, and we got in about 55 miles, so that was more than what we had planned. I believe there's some challenging parts on the way, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna be eaten by snakes. How creative.
Usually it starts around 5 a.m. Cool, I'm going to a sweet lava cave right now, so tell me about it when I get back.
So, we have pretty serious weather conditions. So, forecast says that there's winds of 40 miles an hour and gusts of up to 60 miles an hour. On top of that, there's rain tomorrow morning starting at 5 a.m. So, what we'll probably do tonight is bail on camping and go spend the night in Barstow. So right now we have about another 40 miles to go, and I think we should be good.
Up here and then go right underneath the bridge near the end. Watch out, there are some little posts. Okay, whenever you're ready, it might be better to go slow.
It's swimming for sure.
I'm gonna go overkill. Full low. We're here to block everything up. Chevy, whenever you're ready. That's really deep.
So we just drove 130-ish miles from Fort Mojave all the way to just east of Barstow.
yeah, we had to Hail Mary and just charge through the rest of the trail as fast as we could.
I think, you know, it teaches you how the weather can really, really make you, you know, think about where you're gonna go and what you're gonna do, and it could be dangerous. Things could get pretty dangerous pretty quickly.
My biggest takeaway is how capable all of these trucks are from the factory. They don't need anything else. This Chevy I'm sitting in right now has locking front and rear diffs. The Jeep over there has a disconnecting anti-roll bar, so the front axle is always touching the ground. The Toyota has a snorkel, so that's pretty cool. But none of these vehicles need anything, you know, period. They're done. You don't need to buy this and add a suspension lift or different tires or anything. These trucks are perfect the way they are. And the fact that you can get them like that with a factory warranty and then do what we did is pretty damn cool.